Let's take flight.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Let's Take Flight. And as you can see, I am super excited because I have another credit card that just came in the mail and I'm super excited about it. Listen, I know that I just said in another one of my other videos that I was not going to be applying for another credit card for a while, but I got an itchy trigger finger and I had an unexpected expense come up and I said, you know what? This might be a good time to apply for this card. This is a card that's actually been on my to-get list for a while now. So I think this card might actually complete my core setup. And that card is the American Express Blue Business Plus. So this is, I think, a great card to add to the arsenal. So what we're going to do, we're going to check out the card and we're going to look at some of the benefits. So without further ado, let's get it cracking. Of course, I've already pre-opened it just to hide some of my sensitive information here. And we're just going to get right to it. We're not even going to waste no time. We're going to look first at what the card looks like. Y'all ready? Let's see. Ooh. I've been so waiting to get this card. Let's pull it out. And, you know, for those that don't know, this is not no metal card, y'all. This is a regular plastic card. Regular plastic. It bends. But really beautiful card, man. Really beautiful card. Let's see, can I take this off and so we can yes, I'm gonna be using this card a lot. This is gonna be my catch-all card for my business, all my business purchases. Look at that. Ooh, I love that. Nice and clean. What's that? I like that blue. Yeah, just a nice, clean card, man. Look at the reflection on the face right there. Really nice card, if you ask me. This card is going to go very well alongside with my American Express Gold card and my American Express Platinum card. You know, I like earning those membership rewards points. And while we're talking about rewards points, this card is going to give you 15,000 American Express points for $3,000 worth of spend in 3 months. So should have no issues hitting that. Heck, I'm actually past the halfway mark already. And I actually was offered the opportunity when I applied for this card to be able to use this card immediately. So they gave me a temporary card number and a temporary PIN so I can make purchases. And that's what I ended up doing. So I made a purchase before the card even came in the mail. So we got the card right here. The card is great. So total with the $3,000 worth of spend plus the $15,000 in points, that will end up being what, about 6,000, about 21,000 points. So that's great, not bad. And this card, of course, has no annual fee. It's going to give you 2x back on in American Express points. So again, great catch-all card for your business, if you ask me. And this card has some other benefits as well that I'm actually probably going to utilize. Now, maybe not this one I'm about to talk about now. This card comes with free employee cards. I don't have any employees yet. It's just me, so I'm not going to be utilizing that right now. But if you do need to add some employees, you can do that with this card for free. So pretty great. Let's look at some of the other benefits that this card comes with. You actually have car rental loss and damage insurance, so that's great. When you use your eligible cards to reserve and pay for the entire rental and decline the collision damage waiver at the rental company counter, you can be covered for damage to or theft of a rental vehicle in a covered territory. And that coverage is up to $15,000. So great benefit if you ask me. You need to rent a car for your business? Boom, here you go. And what else do we have? Oh, extended warranty. Now, I'm definitely going to use this benefit. This extended warranty gives you an extra year of warranty up to $10,000. So this is going to kick in after the warranty of whatever it is you're purchasing. So, if you're buying something expensive, maybe a computer for your business, something like that, this is a great card to use if you ask me. So I'm definitely going to be utilizing that. I brought a computer from Apple, so I ended up using this card. So great benefit to have. Also, another great benefit to have on this card, 0% APR introductory rate for the first 12 months. So this is a great benefit for a new business, if you ask me. Why wouldn't it be? So if you got anything expensive that you need to purchase and you want to slowly pay it off, this is a great card to have. Now just keep in mind that you still do not want to be late on any payments, because this is a business card, it's not going to report to your personal credit. However, if you are delinquent in any way, you decide that you don't want to pay it, then it's going to hit your business and your personal, and you're going to be in trouble. So don't do that. You don't have to pay this card in full if you don't want to, but you definitely want to pay it off before that 12 months is up. But you still want to pay that monthly minimum so you won't, be considered late or delinquent. So just make sure you do that if you're going to use that benefit. But great benefit if you ask me. What else we got here? No annual fee. Again, like I said before, great benefit. Now, this card actually does have a foreign transaction fee, so this is not a card you want to use overseas. So that might be my next move. The next business card I'm applying for, I'm thinking it's probably going to be the Chase Inc. Preferred, potentially, because the card has a $95 annual fee, but there's no foreign transaction fees. So after I get that card, which I don't think is going to be anytime soon, because that's the card that I think I want directly attached to this YouTube channel, because this is a travel channel. That is a travel card. I can use that card for 3x back on all my travel purchases. And once I start making money with this channel, then, to me, mentally, it'll make sense for me to get that card. Then I can just put all my travel purchases when it comes to the YouTube channel on that card. And there's no foreign transaction fees to that card. So it's a great card. So yeah, man, great card to have in the arsenal. What else is this? Not really much important. Privacy. Yep. Card member agreement. Yep. And like I said before, this card is going to give you 2x back on all of your purchases. 2x back in MR points. So if you value MR points, this card is a no-brainer, no annual fee. And it's up to $50,000 though, so just keep that in mind. Now, unless you're a big spender, most of y'all small businesses like myself is probably not gonna go anywhere near that $50,000 limit, so that's very great for me. Oh yeah, and just for the record, for a lot of people, because I was this way too, there's a lot of people out there that are a little apprehensive about applying for these business cards, but I'm here to tell you firsthand, you don't have to be as apprehensive, because it's really not that hard. It doesn't take much to qualify, especially for this card right here. If you don't have a quote unquote legitimate business, you can still apply for this card, because I just apply for this card, using my SSN. You don't have to have an EIN. You can apply as a sole proprietor. And again, you don't have to be a major business, making, $50,000, $100,000 a year. Like, for instance, if you do Uber, you probably can qualify for this card. If you do DoorDash, anything in the gig economy. If you walk dogs, if you cut grass, shovel snow, rake leaves, whatever it is that you might do on the side, outside of your normal, regular W-2 job, well, those businesses will probably qualify for you to get this card. The only suggestion I would say is just to be honest with American Express. Don't Don't try to blow your numbers out the water. You know, don't lie on your application. Don't tell them that you're gonna make $100,000 a year in hopes that you'll get a high limit. Just tell them the truth, and you're probably still gonna get a decent limit. I got a $10,000 limit myself, and I think I told them I was gonna make like $6,000 for the year. You know, so like an extra $500 a month. You know what I'm saying? So those low numbers can still qualify you for this card, you know. So don't worry about it. You're not breaking the law. You're not doing anything along those lines. American Express, in my opinion, especially with this card, this is like their beginner's business card. So, you know, this is for the small business owner, the person that's trying to get their feet wet in their business. Even if you haven't fully got your business off the ground yet, this is a great card to start out with, in my opinion. So let's take one more last look at this card. Very nice, very sleek. Again, it's going to fit well with my American Express setup already. Very nice card. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Any of y'all that have this card, get in the comment section. Let me know your experience with it. And we thank y'all for watching, and we will definitely see y'all on the next one. Peace and travel safe.
Let's take flight.